Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I look a little weird today. I know this is the first, I think this is the first time I show up like this. But today, today's Sunday and I've been studying so much because I have a test tomorrow. And anyways, so I wanted to pop up here today to unbox my BoxyLuxe. And the last time that I received this is my second one. The last time I received this, if I'm not mistaken, I opened it up in my Spanish channel. So if you want to check it out, I have a link at the end of this video for that channel. If you want to check that out, if you speak Spanish, if you want to see it, that is a really nice channel over there. And let's open this one up. I don't know if you saw my previous video, but I burned my finger. And also if you by any chance you see my bruises, I had some blood work done and the person who took my blood was like very rough. I don't know, something happened there. But anyways, so let's open this out and see what we have for the month of June. This is heavy and big. So let's see, it says BoxyCharm, get away. That's basically what it says. And the other side we have all the products. So I already saw that we have a third product in here. Let's see. So I'm going to be using whatever I can from this box on my face. That's why I don't have anything right now. First product that I see in the box is a Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This is a styling and finishing spray. So obviously we're not gonna use this because I haven't styled my hair, as you see. But this is worth $29, and I think I have seen this product before, or I'm not sure, but this is gonna be cool for the second day to make it more volume, or maybe if I iron it and it's too flat. So this is a nice brand though. The second that I see is this product over here, and I'm not sure what is this. This is a mascara actually, and it says that it's $25. Yeah, it's $25. It's actually expensive. So we will be applying this. Let's see what else is in here. There's something in a weird thing. What is this? Ooh. Let's see what is inside here. Oh my god. Oh, this is a mini dryer. Oh, this is so cute. What in the world? This is so cute. Okay, is this gonna stay there or is not working properly? So this is for traveling. Oh my goodness, beautiful. So this is by the brand PIT, and this is a mini turbo on the go dryer, $85. A little expensive, but here it is. Very cute. This is my hand, so for you reference, it's super small. This is super cute. Let's see what it has. Oh, this is so cute. This is for like make your hair curlier, maybe with a mousse or something, and this is just the one for blow drying like this. So the next product that I see here is a No Problem Prime Essence, and I received something from this brand before. This is a Touching Soul No Problem Prime Essence. This is $23, and basically it's a primer, as it says in there. I think I received a primer from this brand in BoxyCharm. Yes, I don't know if this is basically the same product at this point. I'm not so sure. Let's continue. What else is in here? There is a product here from Pharmacy. This is a really good brand. And this is a Honeymoon Glow and Resurfactant Night Serum. Ooh, and this is worth $59. Oh my god. And it's this beautiful glass. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Wow. It's for the night, so I'm not gonna be using it right now, as I'm not gonna be using the blow dryer, as I'm not gonna be using the Living Proof Condition voluminizer. Wow. Okay, for now I only have a mascara and a primer to apply right now. So let's see what else is in here. I have a Cleanse Bionic by Dr. Brand. This is a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with shore chlorophyll. Ooh, sounds very interesting. So this one is worth $35. This also will be for washing my face. I already washed it. So let's continue. What else is in here? I have here another product. This is a refreshing mix, and this is a brand Skin & Co. Roman. It has a beautiful gold packaging. I really like it. This is cruelty-free product. So wow, this is how much? This is $35. This one seems very expensive. Let's see. Has like a weird scent that I don't quite love. So yeah, I mean, it says here that is a Torfin Therapy Radiant Dewy Hydrating Mist formulated to smooth, perfect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow introducing tonic is inspired by the herbs during the summer. This is a toner enchanting with the antioxidant rich, smoother and detoxic botanicals such as black winter, truffle, rosemary, ginger, radiant peppermint, and Damascena rose. This refreshing mist encourages the radiant complex while rebalancing skin pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. This is too many claims. So this is basically a setting for the makeup, a toner, and a refreshing mist. I don't know. I never heard a product claiming doing so many things, but here it is. We finally see something here that is probably obviously makeup, and oh my god, almost didn't make it. I think I'm not gonna have enough makeup here to do a makeup look. I'm probably gonna be like, bye guys, ciao, and I don't know. Try on is not working this time. So it's okay though. I love the products. Everything seems fine. The only one that it seems kind of like weird for me is the Skin Co. That's why I read the whole thing. And the mascara, well, mascara is mascara. That probably is good. So this is the Tarte Tastier Pro Glow Cheek Palette. Oh my god, this looks so nice, people. Look at this. I actually was thinking of getting this, and ooh, happy that I didn't, because this is so beautiful. The colors are stunning. I love the shimmer. I love the bronzers. I love the, oh my god, this is beautiful. This is worth $45. So this is very nice. Awesome. And last but not least, we have a Dominic Cosmetic DC. This is a lipstick, I guess, lemonade lipstick, and this is worth $17. And I never had anything from this brand, and I had seen her in her channel. She's an influencer, and I really like her content. She's very pretty, but I never pulled the trigger to buy any of her products. I don't know why, but the packaging is beautiful, and I remember this being her previous collection. Maybe, I'm not so sure, lemonade, or I think it was last summer. I'm not sure, but this is a beautiful packaging. This is so stunning. I really like this. This is the shade Peach Tea. Oh my god, it looks stunning. I don't need to, like, oh, look at that. And the applicator, I'm showing you this because this is like everything. This is so beautiful. I really like it. It's so glossy and yummy. Oh my god, this is nice. This is when the Ofra wipes come to my rescue. Help me to remove this makeup from here, even though I only show you the lipstick. I'm actually going to open the mascara because I thought I was going to do a full makeup look and I didn't. So let me just go ahead and show you the rest of the products. Oh wow, this was the sticker. I thought that was the mascara inside this thing. Like this was, it says something in here. Pro, what is this? All right. So this is something. Let's see what is this. So fill down to curl. So, oh my god, it's a curler. So you curl your lashes with this thing. I don't know if you see this. Let me try to show you. Like, you curl your lashes with this little thing, and then you close it, you put the cap back, and then you scroll like a regular mascara, and here's the mascara. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it does enough space for my lashes though. I mean, but it's bulky, but it's a fun idea. I like it. Since I'm not gonna do a makeup look or anything because I don't have enough products in here. I only have like 3 makeup items basically. Yeah, I have like 3. So I'm going to, well, this is 4 because this is a makeup item, but this is basically the last step. It says here, this is kind of like an infusion, like between makeup and skincare. So this has some control oil, and it has calendula of flower extract. So it's kind of like a between both, but it has some tackiness to it, so definitely good for priming. I think I might end up liking this one more than the previous one because the other one is kind of like sometimes move around a little bit under the makeup, but this one seems like it's gonna stay there and it's gonna be really good for makeup. I definitely can't wait to wear this one. Alright, so my box is, the Tarte is $45, the Touch and Soul is $23, the Dominique Cosmetic Lemonade Lip Gloss is $17, and the PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer is $85. That's a lot of money for that dryer. The Dr. Brian Cleanser Biotonic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with something, $35. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Resurfing Night Serum, that's $58. This box is very kind of like skincare strong. The Living Proof Full Dry Volumizing Blast is $29. Wow, this box is expensive. Testy Good Vibe Mascaras is $25. And the Skin Co. The Therapy Radiant Dewy Mist is $35. With a total of $352. This box is extremely high up there. But I think one of the things that make it really high is that little dryer. For my opinion, I don't think it's $85. I think that's way too high for a dryer. And it also has a lot of skincares like the Pharmacy product, Dr. Brand. So those brands are really expensive. This feels so weird. This is the first time I end a video with makeup. Anyway, guys, if you like this type of content, if you like high-end makeup products and fashion and all that goody, consider subscribing to my channel. Give a big thumbs up to this video. Make me a comment down below, down there, if you have BoxyCharm, if you like it, which products you received this month. I know I received a big one this month, but also I want to know what you think about this box, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.